So we're looking at how we work with decimals. So if we had a look at a question that says, the results in a triple jump competition are 12.356, and remember, as soon as you, after your decimal point, you don't say 356, you say 356. So 12.356, 11.8, 12.64, 11.704, 12.460, and 12.08. Okay, so if we first of all look at this one, 12.356. If you look at the 3, okay, it is the first number straight after the decimal place. Can you see that? All right. So now, let's see. If you know that that's the first number in the decimal place, let's answer some questions. All right. Once we've done that, let's have a look at 12.64. How many decimal places does 12.64 have? Right, let's answer some questions about those and then some more of the other ones. Right, let's have a look and see which measurement out of all of these do you think is the largest? All right, how did you tell whether those were the largest or whether they were the smallest? Does it depend on how many decimal places they have? This one has 3, this one has 1, this one has 2, 3, 3, and 2. Let's look at the measurements containing zeros. So this one contains a 0, and that one contains a 0, and so does that one contain a 0. Okay. What would happen if we wrote the number without its 0? So if we wrote 11.74, and we wrote 12.46, and 12.8. It changes the numbers considerably, and it gives them a different meaning. Over here we're saying that we've got 7 tenths, we've got no hundredths, and we've got 4 thousandths. So if we did that, we've got tenths, hundredths, and we've got thousandths, okay? If we changed it, we would say we've got 7 tenths and we've got 4 hundredths, which is not right. So what do those zeros do? The 0 digits are called placeholders. Okay? So the 0 digits are placeholders. They hold open that hundreds column so that you can put a 4 in the thousandths column. All right? In this case, we've got 4 tenths, we've got 6 hundredths, and we've got 0 thousandths. So it doesn't matter if we put the 0 in or we don't, because it doesn't change our 2 places. In this instance it does, because we've got 0 tenths, but we've got 8 hundredths. So we have to have a placeholder to keep that one open. It's very important that these zeros are never left out. If a 0 is at the end of a decimal, like this one is, we call that a trailing decimal. Okay, it's like the little younger brother trailing on the end. If those are left out, it doesn't affect the number. So a placeholder, very important, they can never be left out, and a trailing one, you can leave those out. So let's answer just a few more questions.